Whether you're thinking about joining the Maskcara team or you've already color matched a few of your friends and you're ready to get started, you're probably wondering how you're going to get paid. And in this video, I'm going to go over all of the details with you. As an artist, you make 20% commission on all of your sales. For example, if you have a customer who purchases $100 in product, you make $20. There is no minimum sales requirement and no qualifications you need to hit. 20% commissions will always be your base pay. The only requirement to be an artist is that you purchase your kit and you pay the $11.95 monthly back office fee. As a new artist, you are put into what we like to call a training period. If you signed up under another artist, feel free to send her questions and have her help you get going. We're compensating her for helping you be successful. In this training period, you're working towards your first $800 in sales. This does not have to be done all within 1 month and does not reset. Once you have sold your first $800, you're officially out of training and you can earn more than 20% commissions. Depending upon your sales within the month, you can make up to 40% commissions. For example, if you sell $800 within the month, you can make $240, which is 20% plus 5% plus 5%. All of that together is 30%. And 30% of $800 is $240. As a team, you can earn even more rewards based on your sales. When you reach team goals, we reward you accordingly. This is where the compensation plan comes in. At first glance, it looks like a lot of information, but it's easier than it looks. Up top are the artist ranks. The goals you hit within the month qualify you for certain ranks, which then determines how much of a commission you receive on the artists under you. Underneath that, you see the qualifications for each rank. We'll go over these in a minute. Underneath that column, you see the retail commissions that we went over earlier. This is the 20 to 40%, and as you can see, that's for all the ranks except for when you're in that training period. Underneath that column, you'll see a pink bar with the words Artist in Training and an enroller bonus column below that. These are extra bonuses that we'll talk about in a minute. Under that column, you'll see Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and so on. Level 1 is an artist that you enrolled directly under you. Level 2 is an artist that she enrolled directly under her, and so on. So for example, let's take a look at the level of Top Hacker. If you qualify for the rank of Top Hacker, you will make 3% CV on your Level 1 artist. Let's talk about CV. CV stands for Commission Volume. What this means is you make 3% on any of the sales or purchases your Level 1 artist makes, minus their 20%. CV basically means the wholesale price, not the retail price. For example, your Level 1 artist makes a sale for $10. You get paid 3% on $8. Or as another example, your Level 1 artist makes a personal back office purchase. Her personal purchases are already discounted by 20%, so if she made a purchase that equaled $8, you get paid 3% of that $8. Looking at the plan, the more successful you are together as a team, the higher rank you qualify for, and you earn more percentage on the artists you enrolled under you. Let's talk about that Artist in Training bonus. When you first sign up your Level 1 artist, we want to compensate you for training her and helping her through the process. So we give you an extra 10% on her first $800 in sales. We also have what's called an enroller bonus. When you personally sign up an artist underneath you, we not only want you to help her through the training, we want you to take care of her and make sure she continues to be successful going forward. So we give you an additional CV percentage on this artist. This is also to encourage you to make sure those you sign up under you would be a right fit to be a Maskcara artist. So let's talk about what happens if an artist under you decides that Maskcara isn't the right fit for them, or that artist takes a break for the month, or she just doesn't make any sales that month. If your Level 1 artist that you personally enrolled doesn't make any sales that month or decides to no longer be an artist, you will lose that enroller bonus with that artist. However, you don't lose your Level 1 CV percentage because of something we call compression. If your Level 1 artist makes no sales within the month, your Level 2 artist will then move up and become your Level 1 artist. If your original Level 1 artist comes back the next month, you get your enroller bonus back and she takes her place again at Level 1. So let's take a look at the whole picture. Let's say you qualify for the rank of Top Hacker. As a Top Hacker, you'll be making 20 to 40% on your own personal sales, and you'll be making the 3% CV on your Level 1 artist plus 5% CV if you enrolled her personally. So 8% total on your Level 1 artist. You'll also be making 3% CV on your level 2 artist. Remember, CV is the wholesale amount. Now let's talk about qualifications. The first qualification to receive commissions on artists you enrolled is to be what we call active. We at Maskcara Beauty always want the main focus of our artists to be to share the product and the message. We want the focus to be on making women feel beautiful and the best version of themselves. To be active, you need to hit the SV goal. SV is sales volume and is calculated by adding up your sales and personal purchases. For example, to qualify to be a top hacker, your SV goal is 300. This means that if you sold $250 and personally made a purchase that totaled $50 within the month, you have hit the 300 SV goal and are considered active. You now qualify to receive commission on artists enrolled under you. The SV goal for being a hacker is 300. The SV goal for being an ambassador is 600. The SV goal for being an influencer and above is 900. You also have group goals. For example, to qualify for top hacker, you need to have 2 active legs. A leg means an artist below you. 2 of these artists need to be an elite hacker or above, and altogether you need to hit 1,000 in TGSV. TGSV is total group sales volume, which means that all of your sales and personal purchases combined need to reach 1,000 to qualify for that rank. So let's go over one full one together. Let's say your team did really well that month and you qualified for top ambassador. This means that you reached 600 in SV. Remember, that's your sales and personal purchases. Your team altogether hit 10,000 TGSV, which is all of your sales and personal purchases added together. You have 5 active legs. One of those artists qualified as an artist ambassador or above, and one of those artists qualified as an elite ambassador or above. So because you qualified for top ambassador, you made your retail commissions on your own sales, you received 10% on any of the artists in training, and 7% CV on artists that you personally enrolled in the enroller bonus section, plus 5% CV on those level 1 artists, so 12% CV total on your level 1 artist. You made 5% CV on your level 2 artist, 4% CV on your level 3 artist, 3% CV on your level 4 artist, and 2% CV on your level 5 artist. I'm going to go over a few frequently asked questions we hear. The qualifying months go from the first day of the month to the last day of the month. Another question we have is on artist kits. No commission is paid on artist kits. We want to make sure that when choosing artists to sign up, you're choosing those you feel like would be the right fit to become a Maskcara artist. We put more reward on making sure they are successful going forward instead of being compensated only on signing them up. I'm sure you're also wondering when you get paid. You're paid your 20% base commissions weekly every Friday. You're paid your bonuses and downline artist commissions monthly on the 10th of every month. Now that you understand the comp plan, let's take a look at what it looks like in your back office.